it's supposed to feel. How it's supposed to
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, I didn't want to ever share this with you guys. It was never a plan of mine. Tens and tens of thousands of miles around the country, towing boat around, and never had an issue. And wow, did I just set the bar way freaking high. So here's what happened. Now at this point here, I got the radio on in the truck, so I couldn't have that on right now. But the point is, I load the trailer, I go up, I crank it, I look, make sure everything's okay. To my eye, everything looked great. Not so much. At this point, now I know I got a problem. So I have to relieve the pressure. There's nobody around. It was incredibly embarrassing. But thankfully, like I said, nobody was around. So I was able to crank on it a few times just to get it a little bit of movement out of it. And then I used the trim on the motor to pick up on the boat on the ass end just a little bit to relieve the pressure. And I was able to then crank it basically straight down and get it about 1.5 inches off the ground. Then I could back it back into the lake, readjust, and get that thing home and assess the problem. As you can see, I'm human. I don't know if I forgot to latch it or if it came apart as it bounced around coming off the ramp. I don't know. Needless to say, we got some damage at the rear of the boat. So here's some pictures of it. And of course we lose the plug. So we got to replace that now. All right. Part of our damage too is the bracket for the Garmin transducer. I do have another bracket, so easy fix. But our damage is down here. Because my system here does not have a secondary strap for safety, I had to go and buy a few pieces. This has just enough slack to easily remove it and clip it. But this is my solution so that this never happens again. I'm gonna go ahead and at this point, I'm gonna go start on cleaning and taping it and getting it ready to sand and fiberglass. And then we will gel coat. I have the flake of this boat I had to order, so I have that, and we will be adding that to the mix as well. But for now, what we're gonna do is clean it, sand it, tape it, clean it, get it ready for resin, and we'll probably do that tomorrow. So anyway, it is a sick feeling, you guys, when this happens. And you know, ultimately, the people that know me for the last 5 years doing this, I'm not going to hide it. I'm going to show you guys. If I make a mistake, I'm going to own up to it, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. I hope that none of you ever experienced this situation, but if you do, hopefully this video helped you out. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Take it easy.